The Location Beacons report provides an overview of your beacon fleet. If you want to monitor the efficiency of your beacon placement, see how often your beacons are communicating to your device fleet, or keep track of which beacons need maintenance, this report can provide you with these insights. To see collected beacon data, sign into Blackline Live and navigate to Blackline Analytics through the main menu. Select the Location Beacons report in the left-hand sidebar. To determine your beacons are set up in good locations, monitor the amount of locations being collected over time and check to see if any beacons have significantly less locations than others. Low amounts of locations indicate that a beacon is set up in an area that is not frequently traveled. Beacons that do not communicate with devices are not serving their function to provide accurate locations, so these beacons may need to be moved to higher traffic areas to deliver better location data. Since beacons require little maintenance and typically only need to have their batteries replaced every 5 years, it can be easy to forget to check their battery levels. A beacon cannot communicate when it has run out of battery, but if you notice a beacon has stopped communicating and its last known battery level was low, there is a chance that the battery may have died and needs to be replaced. The Beacon Locations tab shows the placement of your beacons on a map, and the color of each dot indicates the beacon's last known battery level. Be aware that the beacon's placement is based on the location they are assigned through Blackline Live and may not reflect the actual location of the beacon. This map provides you with a great visualization of your beacon fleet and allows you to plan any changes you may want to make to their placement.